Good afternoon, traders. This is Sean Oman, back with you from FXChatter.com for the daily market wrap-up. And today is Tuesday, August 2nd, 2011. So today, our fundamental report this morning told us that we would see a rise in the euro or other pairs against the US dollar. In other words, a weaker US dollar. And well, basically after that we predicted limited movement with a tight range, and that's pretty much what we had. We can see here on the 15-minute chart of the euro US dollar pair that we had a sharp move up. This was our 8:30 candle at the beginning of the day. However, our fundamental report wasn't published until 9:30, which was right over here. We took the trade based off of the pin bar right here, and the break of the pin bar gave up around 40 to 45 points, which we took. We could see that we had this area right here was a very strong resistance area for the day, basically bringing us pretty much back to level versus the dollar. And shortly after that we saw a collapse with the dollar rising back up to the well, close to the lows of the days anyway, in this area right over here, and followed by a completely sideways direction. We took our trade off the fundamentals telling us to buy the euro against the dollar. However, for those of you who have range-bound trading experience and decided to go in the other direction, you could have made some money as well. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart on the pound, we basically had nothing all day. Everything was sideways all the way. There were no trades there. So the euro was definitely the place to be. Just a quick word about the state of the market. I think traders are pretty confused, and at least undecided, as to how they want to digest the new plan from Congress to resolve our debt ceiling issue as well as our overall deficit issue. So that's the end result of the ugly day that we saw today. There's still some news coming out that is market moving for the rest of the week, and overall we outside of the debt plan we have some pretty negative factors being input into our fundamental calculations. So I would tend to think that we should be on the lookout for a stronger US dollar in the coming days. However, as always, we stay on top of the fundamentals as they come out every day in order to predict our daily movements for the US session. So having said that, please check back with us tomorrow morning just before 10 a.m. around 9:45 in the morning for our outlook for the day using the fundamentals. Okay, traders, thank you. Have a good evening.